my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we'll use the order of operations to evaluate the numerical expressions we have here. On the right, I have listed the order of operations, parentheses, then exponents. We multiply or divide, then we add or subtract. So if I look at problem number 1, I see addition and division. And based on my order of operations, I know I have to divide first. So I'm going to underline the division. That means I leave the -4 plus. Now, -36 divided by -3 gives me a positive 12. You may want to check that out on your calculator if the positives and negatives are giving you a problem. Then you can finish up with the adding here. So -4 plus 12 would give me positive 8. Let's do one more just like that. If I look at problem number 2, I see the subtraction and I see the multiplication. So remember, I have to multiply first. So I'm going to leave the -5 minus, and then 2 times -4 gives me -8. Now, I like to change the subtraction to addition and change the sign of the next number. So -5 plus positive 8 would give me positive 3. Remember, your order of operations tells you the order you should calculate. We multiply and divide before we add and subtract. All right, friends, have a great week.